Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Your Conversions, brought to you by Fibr. If you're new here, this is where we break down the art and science of marketing with our hosts, Liv and Max. They will help you understand marketing better, explore fresh strategies, and most importantly, drive higher conversions. So whether you're a seasoned pro, or even if you're just getting started, you're at the right place.
All right, let's dive into website optimization tools for 2025.
Sounds good.
We're looking at this detailed guide, reviewing the top 7.
Yeah?
We want to help you figure out which website optimization tools are worth checking out in 2025
Right.
to boost your site performance,
Of course.
conversions,
Yeah, they didn't
engagement.
see all that good stuff.
Yeah, all that good stuff, getting those leads coming in.
For sure.
The guide starts off by looking at the state of website optimization, and it's kind of a reality check.
Ooh.
It says that 82% of B2B pages and 86% of B2C pages are loading in 5 seconds or less.
5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds or less, which doesn't seem like a lot, but
Well, it's kind of a long time, isn't it?
yeah, I mean, think about when you're browsing. How long do you wait for a page to load?
Not very long.
I mean, I hit the back button pretty quickly.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
So this is why site speed is so important,
Totally.
because if those pages are loading slowly, you're going to have those higher bounce rates
You're going to lose people.
to your conversions,
Yeah.
missed opportunities,
Yeah.
and that's what we don't want.
No, that's not good.
So how do these optimization tools help us?
So these tools are like having this dedicated team that's constantly tweaking and optimizing your website.
Okay, so they're working behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, yeah, they're analyzing.
What exactly are they doing?
So first off, they're going to tackle those loading times.
Ah,
They're going to identify any bottlenecks,
okay.
streamline the code.
So it's technical.
It's technical, yeah.
Okay.
Then they're going to look at SEO,
Ah, search engine optimization.
right? Search engine optimization to improve your ranking in those search results.
Okay, so that's going to help people find you more organically.
Exactly. You get that organic traffic.
Yeah, we want the organic traffic.
It's the best kind of traffic.
It is. It's free, basically free advertising.
Exactly.
So what else are they doing?
These tools act like little detectives, and they're uncovering those hidden patterns in visitor behavior.
Oh.
They're using things like heat maps.
Heat maps, those colorful maps that show where people are clicking.
Yeah, exactly. And session recordings.
Wow, so they're actually recording what people are doing.
Exactly. Yeah.
So we can see exactly how people are using the site,
Yeah, you can see where they're clicking.
where they get stuck.
Yeah, where they get stuck, what's capturing their attention.
I like that.
It's very valuable.
It is.
Then they can do things like A/B testing.
Oh, right.
You can compare different versions of your pages.
So you can test out different headlines
Exactly. Headlines, button
and then
designs.
see what's performing better.
You see what performs better. Yeah.
So you can always be improving, constantly improving.
Constantly improving. Yeah.
I like that.
And these tools will also monitor your site's performance from different locations around the world.
Oh, wow.
So you can make sure everyone's having a smooth experience.
Yeah, that's so important.
Yeah.
So that's a lot.
It is a lot.
They do a lot.
They do a lot.
So how do we know which tool to use?
That's the million-dollar question, right?
This guide goes through the top contenders, but it emphasizes that there's no one best tool.
It depends on your needs.
It all depends on your needs and your goals for your website.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
So each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, I guess.
exactly. They all have their strengths, their own features, and target audience.
Okay, so tell me about the first tool,
Okay, so first up is Fibr.
Fibr.
This one is all about AI-powered personalization.
Oh, okay, AI.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive what it can do.
So what makes Fibr stand out?
So imagine being able to create thousands of different landing page variations, each tailored to a specific visitor.
Thousands. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot.
How does it even do that?
It uses these algorithms to analyze visitor data,
Okay.
browsing history, past purchases, demographics,
Wow.
even their real-time interactions on your site.
So it's really personalized.
It's very personalized, yeah.
It's like having a personal web designer for each visitor.
You could say that.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, so Fibr is good for large companies with lots of traffic.
It's especially valuable for enterprise-level marketers.
Okay, so that's Fibr.
Yeah.
What's next?
Next up is Optimonk.
Optimonk.
This one focuses on boosting conversions using pop-ups.
Pop-ups, I have mixed feelings about pop-ups.
I think we all do.
Sometimes they're annoying.
They can be annoying.
But sometimes they work.
Sometimes they work really well.
So what makes OptiMonk different?
First off, it's super user-friendly.
Oh, okay.
It has a drag-and-drop visual editor, so you don't need to be a coding expert to create them.
That's good, because I'm not.
Me neither.
So you can just drag and drop and make these pop-ups.
Exactly.
That's cool.
Yeah.
But what about those annoying pop-ups? How does OptiMonk make sure they're not annoying?
They give you a lot of control over the targeting,
Okay.
so you can make sure those pop-ups are only shown to the right people at the right time.
I like that.
Yeah.
So instead of just blasting everyone with the same pop-up,
Yeah.
you can target them based on behavior
Right. Based on their behavior.
or their interests.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's OptiMonk.
Yeah.
Now tell me about Justuno.
All right, so Justuno takes a bit more of a holistic approach to conversion optimization.
Holistic.
Yeah, it's about the entire visitor experience.
So it's not just about pop-ups.
It's not just pop-ups, no.
It's about everything.
It's about everything, yeah.
From the moment they land on the site.
Exactly.
Okay, so how does it do that?
You can set up triggers based on visitor actions and then deliver targeted content every step of the way.
Oh, wow. So it's personalized based on how they're interacting with the site.
Exactly. Yeah.
That sounds pretty complex.
It can be a little complex.
So is it more for big companies?
It can be a good fit for larger companies, but they do have plans for smaller businesses as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just have to choose the plan that makes the most sense for you.
Yeah.
Okay, Justuno.
Justuno. Okay. Next up, we've got dynamic yield.
Dynamic yield, the guide says it's an enterprise-level personalization engine. So what does that mean?
So they're focused on unifying all your customer data.
Okay, so everything from my website analytics
Yeah, analytics, your CRM.
to my marketing automation platforms.
Exactly, to create these detailed user profiles.
Wow, so it's like connecting all the dots
It's all about connecting those dots, yeah.
to get a really clear picture of each customer.
Exactly.
And then they use AI to do what?
And then they use AI to analyze all that data and deliver those really personalized experiences.
Okay, so that's dynamic yield.
That's dynamic
That
yield.
sounds pretty sophisticated.
It is sophisticated.
So it's probably only for those companies with huge budgets and,
It used to be.
big data science teams.
Right, but they've actually made their technology a lot more accessible to a wider range of businesses now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So even smaller businesses can use it.
Yeah, it's worth looking into.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, now what about Yieldify?
Yeah, so Yieldify has actually been rebranded.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's it called now?
It's called Epsilon Accelerate.
Epsilon Accelerate.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do they do?
So they are laser focused on e-commerce,
Oh, okay.
helping online retailers optimize their websites for maximum conversions.
And customer acquisition.
And customer acquisition, yes.
So if I'm running an online store, this is the tool I want to pay attention to.
You got it.
What kind of things do they do?
They have features like dynamic pricing adjustments, targeted product recommendations,
Oh, okay.
and even personalized incentives to get people to check out.
Nice, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that's Epsilon Accelerate.
That's Epsilon Accelerate.
Now tell me about Nosto.
Nosto calls themselves a commerce experience platform.
Commerce experience platform.
Yeah, it's basically a set of tools for creating personalized shopping experiences.
Okay, but we've heard the word personalization a lot today.
Yeah, I know.
So what makes Nosto different?
They combine AI-driven personalization with what they call merchandising control.
Merchandising control. What is
Oh.
that?
So it means that you, the business owner, you can set parameters for how the personalization is actually implemented.
Oh, okay, so I'm not just handing over complete control to the AI.
Exactly, you still have control.
I like that.
Yeah, you can make sure everything aligns with your brand.
So it's kind of a hybrid approach.
It's a hybrid approach.
AI and human control.
Exactly.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, Nosto. Sounds good.
Okay, last but not least,
Yeah.
we've got GT metrics.
GT metrics?
Yes.
What do they do?
They are all about speed.
Speed, okay.
Yeah, they offer this enterprise-level performance monitoring platform.
Okay.
So it's designed to help you get the most out of your website's performance.
So if speed is my main concern,
If speed is your obsession, then GT Metrics is the tool for you.
GT metrics it is.
They got it.
What kind of things do they do?
They provide in-depth performance diagnostics, historical data tracking,
Wow.
and even proactive alerts if your site slows down.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So this is for the serious web developers and those who are just really serious about their site speed.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got our 7 contenders,
7 contenders.
each with their own unique approach to website optimization.
Absolutely.
It's a lot to take in,
It is.
but I'm starting to understand how these tools can really make a difference.
That's great.
So we've got a lot to learn.
You do.
But before we move on,
Yeah.
is there anything else we should keep in mind?
One thing the guide really emphasizes is that technical optimization alone isn't enough.
Okay.
The websites that are really going to succeed in 2025 and beyond,
Yeah.
they need to go beyond just the nuts and bolts.
So what else should we be thinking about?
Think of your website as more than just code and pages.
Okay.
It needs to be intelligent.
Intelligent.
It needs to understand people's needs,
Okay.
their intentions,
Okay.
their individual journeys.
So it needs to be smart.
It needs to be smart.
Okay.
It needs to be responsive to human behavior.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, and that's where those must-have features for 2025 come in.
Oh, okay. Tell me about those.
Okay, first up is intelligent behavior analysis.
Okay.
It's not enough to just track page views and bounce rates anymore.
So we need to go deeper.
We need to go deeper, yeah.
Right.
The tools of the future, they need to understand visitor intent.
So why are they visiting?
Yeah, are they browsing?
Mhm.
Researching?
Hmm.
Ready to buy?
Or just looking for information.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then you can personalize their experience based on that.
So it's not intrusive or irrelevant.
Exactly. You want it to be helpful.
Helpful. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so that's intelligent behavior analysis.
that's the first one, yeah.
What's next?
Next, we have cross-channel journey optimization.
Okay.
So your website, it's not an island.
It's not an island.
It's part of a bigger system.
Right, like social media.
Yeah, social media, your emails.
Ads, all of that.
All of it, yeah.
Okay.
So you need a tool that can connect all of those dots to create a seamless experience across all channels.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so let's say someone clicks on your Facebook ad.
Okay.
They browse a few products on your site,
Mm-hmm.
but they don't buy anything.
Okay.
A tool with cross-channel journey optimization can send them a follow-up email
Okay.
to remind them about those products.
Maybe offer them a discount.
Maybe offer them a discount, yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
So it's like guiding them through the sales funnel.
Exactly, guiding them through the funnel.
Yeah.
That's a good analogy.
And this all happens in real time.
It all happens in real time.
Wow.
Yeah.
So real-time personalization seems to be a big thing.
It is.
Why is that so important?
Well, consumers today, they want instant gratification.
Yeah. They want it now.
They want it now.
They don't want to wait.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if you can't adapt and personalize those experiences in the moment,
Mm-hmm.
they're going to go somewhere else.
Yeah, to your competitor.
Right.
Okay.
So it's about having the right content at the right time.
Right, when it's most relevant.
Exactly.
So have you ever been browsing online and then suddenly an offer pops up?
Oh, yeah.
That seems like it's just for you.
Yeah, all the time.
That's real-time personalization.
Time personalization.
That's cool.
It is.
Okay, so what else?
So another feature that you want to look for is traffic source intelligence.
Okay, traffic source intelligence.
Yeah.
What is that?
So it's the ability to understand where your visitors are coming from.
So are they coming from Google,
Yeah, Google,
social media,
social media,
email, a referral?
referral, any of that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you know the entry point,
Mm-hmm.
and then you tailor the experience based on that.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So for example, someone searching for best running shoes,
Mm-hmm.
they're going to have different needs
Yeah.
than someone who clicked on a link from your Instagram
Right.
about your new spring collection.
Totally different needs.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're personalizing based on how they got there.
Exactly. Yeah.
Not just their behavior on the site,
Yeah.
but how they arrived at the site.
Yeah.
So it's like knowing where they came from.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can create more targeted landing pages,
Okay.
personalized welcome messages.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's traffic source intelligence.
That's traffic source intelligence.
What else?
Another must-have is device-centric design.
Okay, device-centric design. So the website needs to look good on any device.
Exactly.
So whether it's a phone,
Yeah.
a tablet, a laptop,
Laptop.
a desktop,
Any device.
it needs to be seamless.
It needs to be seamless.
So responsive design is super important.
It's essential.
Okay, and these tools can help with that?
Absolutely. They often come with built-in features for mobile optimization,
Okay,
responsive image scaling,
okay.
and even A/B testing for different screen sizes.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
All right, and then finally,
Finally,
enterprise scalability.
enterprise scalability. Yeah.
What does that mean?
So you need a tool that can grow with your business.
So it's not just a quick fix.
It's not a quick fix. No.
It's a long-term partner.
With a long-term partner.
I like that.
Yeah. So think about things like how many page views the tool can handle,
Okay.
segmentation capabilities,
Mhm.
and whether it offers an API.
Okay, so scalability is really important.
It's really important.
All right, so we've covered a lot.
We have.
We've talked about what website optimization tools are.
Yeah.
We've talked about the top 7 contenders.
The top 7.
And we've gone over those key considerations for choosing the right one.
Absolutely.
So now I think it's time to dive back into those top tools and really explore their features.
Yeah, let's take a closer look.
Let's do it.
Let's start with Fibr.
Okay, so Fibr.
One of the features that stood out to me was their visit-based personalization.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Can you remind me what that is? So Fibr can tell if a visitor is new or returning,
Oh, wow.
and then it personalizes the experience based on that.
So first-time visitors might see a welcome message,
Right. A welcome message.
maybe some testimonials,
Yeah, testimonials.
and then returning customers might see personalized product recommendations
Exactly, yeah.
based on their past purchases.
Right, their past purchases.
Maybe updates on their loyalty program.
Yeah, things like that.
That's really cool.
It is.
So the website remembers them.
Their website remembers them.
I like that.
Yeah.
And it does this all automatically.
It does it all automatically, yeah.
Thanks to AI.
Thanks to AI.
Okay, so what about their traffic source analytics?
Yeah, so Fibr takes traffic source analytics very seriously.
Okay.
They can track visitor behavior based on where they came from.
So if they came from Google
Yeah, Google
or Facebook
It's right.
or a specific blog post,
Yeah,
and then they adjust the website content in real time.
in real time.
Yeah,
That's incredible.
it's very impressive. So if I click on an ad for, let's say, athletic wear,
Mm-hmm.
I'm taken to a landing page that's all about athletic wear,
Exactly.
not just a generic homepage.
Yeah, it's targeted.
It's targeted, yeah.
It's all about aligning the experience with the visitor's intent.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they also have this real-time content adaptation feature.
Oh, yeah, that was really cool.
What is that?
So they actually monitor user behavior on the page,
Okay.
like their clicks, their scrolls,
Wow.
mouse movements, even how long they hover over certain elements.
No, they're watching everything.
They're watching everything, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then they use that data to make instant changes
To the website.
to the website content, yeah.
So the website can change as I'm looking at it.
It can, yeah.
What kind of changes are we talking about?
It could be anything from changing a headline,
Right.
swapping out an image,
Hmm.
adjusting the call to action.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's like the website is having a conversation with the visitor.
Yeah, it's like a conversation.
Responding to their every move.
Exactly.
That's cool.
It is very cool.
Okay, so that's Fibr.
That's Fibr.
What about Optimonk?
Optimonk.
What are some of their key features?
So Optimonk is all about those pop-ups, and their visual editor is really easy to use.
Yeah, we talked about that.
Yeah, you can design a professional-looking pop-up in minutes,
Even if you're not a tech expert.
even if you have no coding experience.
Okay, but pop-ups can be annoying.
Yeah, I know.
So how does Optimonk make sure they're not annoying?
So they have lots of templates,
Okay.
but they also give you a lot of control over the targeting.
Okay, that's good.
You can set up triggers based on visitor behavior,
Okay.
so the pop-ups only appear when they're most likely to be effective.
So you can target them based on how long they've been on the page.
Yeah, how long they've been on the page.
Or if they're about to leave.
Yeah, if they're about to leave.
Things like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so you can really personalize the message
You can personalize it. Yeah,
based on what you know about the visitor.
exactly.
So that's Optimonk.
That's Optimonk.
Now, tell me about Justuno.
Okay, so Justuno, remember, they're all about those personalized visitor journeys.
Yeah.
And they have this journey builder.
A journey builder.
Yeah, you can visually map out the whole visitor experience.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, from the moment they land to the point of conversion.
So I can create different paths based on visitor actions
Exactly.
and personalized messages
Personalized messages, yeah.
and offers.
Offer.
And even integrate it with my email marketing.
Yeah, you can integrate it with your email marketing.
That's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah.
Sounds like it could be kind of complex.
It can be complex.
So is this more for experienced marketers?
It might not be the best choice for someone who's just starting out.
Okay.
But if you're serious about personalization and you have the resources, it's definitely worth checking out.
Okay. Justuno.
Justuno.
Now, what about dynamic yield?
Okay, so dynamic yield,
They're the ones that connect all the data, right?
they connect all the data
From all the different sources.
from everywhere
Okay.
to create those hyper-personalized experiences.
Yeah, so they're using AI to analyze that data
Yeah, they analyze all that data.
and then deliver those really targeted experiences.
Targeted experiences, personalized offers, even dynamically adjust the layout of the website.
Wow, that sounds super advanced.
It is advanced.
But they've made it more accessible, right?
They've made it more accessible, yeah.
So even smaller businesses can use it.
Yeah,
That's good.
That's good.
Okay, and now Epsilon Accelerate.
Epsilon Accelerate.
What are some of their key features?
So they have things like dynamic pricing adjustments,
Okay.
personalized product recommendations,
Mm-hmm.
and AI-powered incentives to encourage people to check out.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah,
So they're really focused on helping online retailers
they are. Yeah.
increase conversions,
Increase conversion.
acquire new customers.
Yes.
So can you give me an example of how that might work?
Sure. Imagine you're browsing an online store.
Okay.
You add something to your cart, but you don't buy it right away.
Mm-hmm.
Epsilon Accelerate might offer you free shipping
Oh, okay.
or a discount
Get me to check out.
to get you to check out.
Right.
Yeah.
Or they might show me personalized product recommendations
Yeah, personalized product recommendations
based on my browsing history
based on your browsing history.
and my past purchases.
Exactly.
So it's like they know what I want
They know what you want.
before I even know I want it.
Sometimes, yeah.
That's scary, but also cool.
It is, yeah.
Okay, so Epsilon Accelerate sounds pretty powerful.
It's a powerful tool.
All right, now tell me about Nosto.
Okay, so Nosto,
They're the ones with the hybrid approach.
they're the hybrid approach, yeah.
So they balance AI-driven personalization
Yeah, AI-driven personalization,
on merchandising control,
merchandising control.
which means I still have some control over how the personalization is implemented.
That's right.
Okay, I like that.
It's a good option.
Yeah, because I want to make sure it aligns with my brand.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's Nosto.
That's Nosto.
Now tell me about GT metrics.
Okay, GT metrics, they're all about performance optimization.
Right, speed.
Speed.
So they analyze my website speed,
They analyze your speed,
and they help me find any bottlenecks.
bottlenecks, any issues
Yeah.
that are slowing things down,
Yep.
and they provide really detailed reports,
Oh, wow.
historical data tracking,
Okay.
and even alerts if your site slows down.
So I can fix it right away.
You can fix it right away.
That's pretty cool.
It is cool.
So this is for the serious people,
For the serious people.
the people who are really obsessed with their website speed.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They also have a feature where you can test your website speed from different locations around the world.
Oh, wow.
So you can see how it's performing for your global audience.
That's really important.
It is important.
Okay, so we've looked at each of these 7 tools,
We have.
and I'm starting to see how they all bring something different to the table.
They all have their own strengths.
But choosing the right one is a tough decision.
It's not an easy decision.
There's no one-size-fits-all solution.
Definitely not.
So how do we decide?
So the guide offers some great advice for making this decision.
Yeah, tell me about that.
First, you need to think about industry fit.
Okay, industry fit.
Does the tool cater to your specific industry?
So e-commerce businesses need different features than, say, a B2B SaaS company.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's industry fit.
Industry fit.
What else?
Next, consider integration. Needs.
Integration needs, okay.
Yeah. Will this tool work with your existing systems?
Yeah, because I don't want to be switching back and forth between different platforms.
Right. You want everything to flow smoothly.
Oh, okay, integration.
Integration.
What else?
Look at their success metrics.
Success metrics. Okay.
Do they actually deliver results?
So what kind of proof do they have?
Yeah, look for case studies,
Okay.
testimonials, real-world examples.
Show me the data.
Yeah, exactly. Show me the data.
Okay, so success metrics.
Success metrics.
What about support?
Support and implementation, yeah.
Because I don't want to be stuck with a tool that I don't know how to use.
Right, you need a tool that's easy to use.
And if I have questions, I need to be able to get help.
Exactly. So ask about their onboarding process,
All right.
their training, and their support options.
Support options. So do they offer live chat?
Live chat, email support,
Email support, phone support?
phone support, all of that.
Okay, yeah, those are good questions they ask.
Good questions.
All right, and finally,
Future growth.
future growth, scalability.
Okay.
Can this tool scale with your business?
So it needs to be able to handle more traffic,
More traffic, yeah.
more complex personalization.
More complex personalization, more data. Okay, so it needs to be able to grow with me.
Exactly. You don't want to outgrow your tools.
Right.
So look for a platform that's flexible.
Right.
It has the features to support your long-term goals.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, you want a partner, not just a vendor.
I like that.
Yeah,
Partner in my success.
exactly.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
We've talked about why website optimization is so important.
Yeah.
We've explored these top 7 tools.
7 tools.
And we've discussed those key considerations for choosing the right tool.
Absolutely.
But before we wrap things up,
Mm-hmm.
I want to leave you with one final thought,
Okay.
a question to ponder as
Yeah.
you start exploring these tools.
Okay, I like it.
In a world where we're constantly bombarded with messages,
Yeah.
content from every direction.
Everywhere?
How can you cut through the noise
That's the question.
and create those experiences on your website that really stand out,
Experiences that delight your visitors.
that make them feel seen,
Seen, heard.
understood?
Yeah, understood.
That's the challenge,
That's a big challenge.
but it's also the opportunity.
It is a huge opportunity.
So as you evaluate these tools,
Yeah.
think about the experience you want to create.
The overall experience.
What kind of impression do you want to make?
Yeah.
What kind of relationship do you want to build?
Exactly.
And how can these tools help you do that?
That's what it's all about.
Because it's not just about optimizing your website.
Right.
It's about optimizing your entire business.
Exactly.
So thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
Thanks for listening.
We hope you found it valuable.
Yeah, we hope you learned something.
And until next time,
Happy optimizing.
we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into website optimization tools for 2025.
Yeah, we've looked at what these tools do.
How they can help boost site performance and conversions.
Right. And how to choose the best one for your specific needs.
But before we wrap things up,
Mm-hmm.
I want to leave you with a final thought, something to think about.
Okay. Sounds good.
We live in a world where personalization is becoming the expectation.
It is. People want those tailored experiences.
So how can you use these tools to create experiences that truly delight your visitors?
Yeah, that's the key.
How can you make them feel like you really understand them?
Like you're speaking directly to them.
Right, and giving them exactly what they need.
It's about going beyond just the technical stuff.
It's about creating those human connections.
Exactly.
So as you explore these tools,
Yeah.
keep that in mind.
Don't lose sight of the human element.
Exactly.
Because at the end of the day,
Yeah.
it's all about people.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
We hope you found it valuable.
Yeah, and we hope it helps you take your website to the next level.
Until next time.
Happy optimizing.
Thanks for tuning in. That's it for this episode of Mind Your Conversions, brought to you by Fibr. I hope you are leaving with fresh ideas and strategies to take your marketing and your conversions to the next level. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave us a review. Thanks for listening. Until then, take care, and we'll see you next time.